So let's say we're in the key of C sharp. We're just playing a song. We want to go back to the 1. You could play the 5. Then you could play a passing chord. So this is one passing chord you could play if you're on the 5 or you're on the 2 to get back to the 1. So that chord is basically this. Right hand has that, and the left hand has that. Let's say I'm on the 1 now and I want to get back to the 2. Could play. So we have on this. So that's on the 6. The right hand is playing that. The left hand has this, or if you can stretch. And what I'm doing here is bringing everything up a semitone. Everything moves, every note moves up a semitone. So that's like 2 passing chords. So we're on the 2. And let's say I want to get back to the 1. So instead of playing this, could play. Right? So that's basically this chord, the E. So it's like the D and the E. Very easy. I'll go back to the 1. Let's say I want to go to the 6 from the 1. So we can play that. So from the 3, we could play this. So want to get to the 6 from, let's say we're from the 1, but could be from anywhere. Could be from the 2 to the passing chord to the 6. Could be from the 4 to the 6. Could be from the 5. Could be from the 7. Right? So it's all up to you wherever you want to go. So let's break that down. So we have this, the right hand. So we have this chord, and in the left hand we have right there. We could also go to the 6 playing this. So what I was doing here was just basically playing with different notes to see which one I like, which one gives it a sound that I like. So we have this in the right hand, and this in the left hand, and we go to the 6. So we're going to the 3 from the 6. So we're at the 6. But now we want to go to the 3. We could play. So this is like some tritones. So it's like we're playing the sharp 4, the 7, 6. So the first one is this. And we have that, and the left hand has this. Get that sound. And this is over the 7. First one was over the sharp 4. Now we are over the 7. Still over the 7. Right? And we go to the 3 ending chord. So we're on the 6. So we're at the 2 and we want to play a passing chord that takes us to the 3. Could play that. So the right hand has that, the left hand has this. This is another passing chord that could take you from the anywhere to the 6, but in this case I used the 7. Very common. So we have this. Right hand has that, and left hand has that. And you have heard me do that a lot already in the past. So this is basically a 7-3-6. So let's break that down. So that's the first one. Second one. Third one. Then we're at 7, 3, 6. So we're just doing some fancy stuff over the 6, so we can play. And we have right. So this could be another passing chord to take you to the 6. So this one is a bit simpler. So we have this. Right hand, E flat, basically playing the E flat major chord. And we have the B flat in the left hand. And then we have this. So that could take you to the 6. Could take you to the 4. Could take you to the 2. So I mean, you don't have to allow yourself to be confined in the box. You hear these chords and you feel as if you're going to the 6. You don't have to go to the 6. So I went to the 4. I did a 7-3-4. So that's how I normally view stuff. I don't allow myself to be trapped into a box. I could do that. So I went to the 5. 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 2, 7, 3, 4. You could do a 7-3-1. So 2, 5, 4, 2, 5, 6. So you don't have to be a 2, 5, 1. There's so many different things. And here I'm just messing around trying to hit this chord. And I will just add in this G to see if I like it. So I think I prefer it this way. This is over the 6. So right hand. So guys, I'm giving you a whole lot of chords that you can try. and this is a 3 chord. So you could do this voicing for your 3 chord. So the right hand is playing that. So you could play that. So let's say you're moving from the I'm saying thu. Moving from the 2. So that's basically a smooth 3 chord that you can use. And you know this 5, I normally play this 5. Normally play this 4. And this is a 7. So we have that. And we go to the 1. So this could be seen as a passing chord. I left from the 6 and I wanted to get to the 4. So we have the 6 and I played 2 passing chords. So this is the first one. Then we have this one. Then we get to the 4. So this is one of the most common ones you normally hear in gospel music. If you want to get to like to the 2, you're on the 6. So that's basically this. And guys, I have a MIDI pack. Well, I have 2 MIDI packs that has a lot of different type of movements, whether it be jazz or gospel movements in different keys, and you can check it out and learn them. And given that it's a MIDI file, you can basically import it in your DAW, put it in any key you want, and learn it. So this is basically a 3 chord from the 4. So I'm thinking I would want to go to the 6. Right? So I could do that. I could go to the 2. Right? I could go to the 5. And just to maintain the same format, you could go to the 1. And you can even continue it, go to the 4. No, I have that wrong. Yep. So guys, that's basically it. If you like this video, feel free to leave a comment and let me know what you think. So I'll see you next time.